My friends, what's up? Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video we have a look of Hedera hashgraph coin. What's the price change goes and Hedera hashgraph, what's the currently change occur in Hedera, and what is the high price of Hedera. In this video I will show you with a live proof. So before starting this interesting video, if you're new on my channel, so please subscribe. Yeah, please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates, because Sabi Stake channel give you updates every hour from a new cryptocurrencies news. And subscribe and also press the bell icon for new video notification. Oh my god, what's this? Hedera will make me mad in this hour. As you can see here, the change of coin in Hedera coin is positive 1.32% in the last 1 hour. That is the last 1 hour price prediction. That is the current price predictions occur in Hedera coin live you are watching now, friends. The high price of Hedera is $0.34144 is the high price of Hedera coin in the last 1 hour, friends. As you can see, the chart analysis tell us that the previous hour they take a high jump, they take a high explosion, but unfortunately if you look the currently situation, the currently condition of Hedera coins, so currently they starts falling down, they again falls down at this time. So maybe it's fall temporarily, but don't worry about this kind of falling. That's a temporary falls. After a small falls they take a high jump. As you can see here, I think they are this kind of falls, take a 1 minute falls, and after 1 minute falls they again start to jump. So don't worry about this, don't take it serious. Now let's see the 1 day price predictions. What's the change goes and the last 1 day and a Hedera coin. So friends, as you can see on the screen, friends, that is the last 1 day price prediction. Absolutely bad change occur, but we have a hope of good. Soon they start a high explosion, and maybe the changes are in positive in the futures. Negative 6% change occur in the last 1 day. That is the last 1 day price prediction of Hedera coin you are watching, and the high price of Hedera in the last 1 day as $0.355586. Absolutely the price is good, but if you look the changes, that is the changes, I don't like this kind of changes in any coin, because the changes is a negative. And if you look the structure, the chart analysis of the Hedera coin, so absolutely it's a complex structure of Hedera coin. As you can see here, at this time and at this time and now at this time, absolutely a complex structure of the graph. They take a jump in 1 second, they take a falls in a 1 second, a very high explosion and a very high dump occur in the, as you can see here, high dump, high jump, high dump, high jump. This kind of change, that's kind of change is very danger in any cryptocurrencies. So friends, don't lose your hope. Maybe they goes up in the future, and I listen this kind of news that's Hedera coin start jumping after a 15 April. So wait for their big time. I'm not a financial advisor but my suggestion for all of you, according to the price prediction, that after continuously fast they take a high jump. It's necessary for Hedera that they take a jump. So my suggestion for you to please hold your Hedera coin with the last of this month, because now it's time to explore Hedera coin. That's only my suggestion. I'm not a financial advice. Please you do your own research to invest in a Hedera coin. Remember to subscribe Abby Stake channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. Thank you so much for watching this video.